In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view attachments in Smartsheet. Whether you're a new user or someone just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through it with ease. To get started, open your Smartsheet document where you expect to find the attachments. Now it's time to locate those useful files. First, draw your attention to the left side of your screen, right next to the row numbers. You'll notice a small paperclip icon, symbolizing attachments. This icon is your gateway to accessing the files associated with that specific row. Be sure to click on the paperclip icon of the row you're interested in. This will bring up a panel on the right dedicated to attachments. If you don't see the paperclip icon next to the row, there's no need to worry. There's another way to reach the attachment panel. Simply move your focus to the right side of your Smartsheet page. Here, you will find another panel, often referred to as the right panel. This part of the interface is designed to provide supplementary details, and among these details is the option to view attachments. Look for the paperclip icon once more. It will be in the panel, beckoning you to click and uncover the attached files. Once you've clicked the paperclip icon in either of these locations, the Attachments panel makes its appearance. This panel lists all the files attached to the row you selected, giving you a comprehensive view of what's available. Now that you have the Attachments panel open, you can interact with each file in two simple ways. The first option is to preview the files directly. This means you can have a quick glance at a document's content without downloading it, which is perfect for checking details on the fly. To preview an attachment, click on it and a preview display should appear. This feature is incredibly handy, especially when you're managing numerous attachments and need to swiftly navigate between documents without cluttering your Downloads folder. If a deeper dive into the file is necessary, the second option is to download it. This process is quite intuitive. Hover over the file you wish to download, and you'll notice a download icon or the option to select download. Click on that, and the file will be saved to your designated download location on your computer. As you get accustomed to using the Attachments panel within Smartsheet, managing your attachments becomes a streamlined experience, enhancing your productivity. Knowing exactly where to find and how to access these files will not only save you time, but also aid in keeping your projects organized and cohesive. Hopefully, you found this tutorial beneficial and feel empowered to manage your attachments confidently in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!